Teacher Sir Roger, and to my co-graduate, a pleasant good evening. I praise and I thank God for this English champion. Honestly, I don't speak English fluently and correctly. I have a lack of confidence. I am ashamed to talk, especially like this crowd. But I learned a lot just only through this English chapter. First, because number one, I boost my confidence in correcting my English grammar. Second, I meet a new friend like you guys, a new people. Third, I met an amazing person that not only a teacher, but he also a big heart, a brother, a friend that willing to listen us and to me. He gave us chances and chance to learn our mistake in and out. He also teach how to be good and a better person as well. It is amazingly magic for me why. Mind you, it is only for just 1 month that we've been together. I know and I believe that we learn so much. Why? Simply because our trainer is a great and awesome, a magnificent teacher. Guys, I grabbed this opportunity to thank Sir Roger. 2 words that I can praise as user. First, thank you. We are so lucky to have you. Thank you for the patience, time, and knowledge and English communication skills that you share to us, especially for me. Thank you for that. Thank you, you are the gift from God. Please continue using you as a good instrument to us, not just only teaching us in English grammar and speaking English fluently, but also you mold our negative way into a positive attitude. Walang katumbas na alagang tinuro at panadamo sa amin. But I know that whatever you bind or on in earth will have been bound in heaven. And whatever you release on earth will have been released in heaven. I know and I believe God rewards you 1,000-fold blessing. Second, sir, I love you. Yes, I love you, sir, because you love us unconditionally.